exploring the legendary Chuck Berry, a musical journey. Imagine a world without rock and roll. Thank Chuck Berry that we don't have to. His electrifying guitar riffs and unforgettable stage presence forever changed the music landscape, giving birth to a genre that would captivate generations. Growing up in St. Louis, Chuck Berry's early love for music was nurtured by the vibrant sounds of his hometown. His family, deeply rooted in the church, provided a rich musical environment that would shape his future. Berry's life changed when he got his first guitar. This humble instrument became a gateway to his musical dreams, allowing him to experiment with different sounds and rhythms. It set the stage for his future innovations. Influenced by the blues, jazz, and country artists of his time, Berry crafted a unique sound that transcended genres. Legends like Muddy Waters and Nat King Cole inspired him to blend different musical elements, creating something entirely new. Berry's big break came when he met Muddy Waters, who recognized his talent and introduced him to chess records. This connection led to Berry's first recording session and the beginning of a groundbreaking career in music. Maybellene was Chuck Berry's breakthrough hit, released in 1955. It was an electrifying blend of rhythm and blues with a fast-paced, catchy beat that captivated audiences. The song's success marked Berry's entry into mainstream music and solidified his status as a rock and roll pioneer. Berry's signature guitar riffs and showmanship quickly set him apart. His innovative guitar techniques created a new sound that became synonymous with rock and roll. His energetic stage presence, including his famous duck walk, made his performances unforgettable and inspired countless musicians. Roll Over Beethoven further cemented Berry's influence in the music world. The song's clever lyrics and driving beat captured the rebellious spirit of the era. It became an anthem for a generation eager to break away from traditional norms and embrace the new rock sound. Touring during the segregation era presented significant challenges for Berry. Despite the barriers, he persevered, bringing his music to diverse audiences across the country. His determination to perform, regardless of the obstacles, showcased his commitment to his art and to breaking racial barriers. Johnny B. Goode is perhaps Berry's most iconic song. The semi-autobiographical tale of a country boy with dreams of stardom resonated with many. Its infectious melody and relatable lyrics ensured its place in rock history, influencing generations of musicians. Chuck Berry's innovative fusion of rhythm and blues with rock and roll redefined music. His unique sound, blending soulful melodies with energetic beats, set the foundation for future rock artists and created a new, electrifying genre that captivated audiences worldwide. Berry's stage presence, marked by his charismatic energy and iconic duck walk, set him apart. His dynamic performances not only entertained but also inspired countless musicians. Fans eagerly awaited every live show, knowing they were witnessing something truly special and groundbreaking. With lyrics that painted vivid pictures, Berry's storytelling prowess was unmatched. His songs, filled with relatable narratives and clever wordplay, resonated deeply with listeners. Through his music, he captured the essence of teenage life and everyday experiences, making him a voice for many. Berry's influence on rock legends like the Beatles and the Rolling Stones is undeniable. These iconic bands drew inspiration from his groundbreaking sound and style. Berry's pioneering efforts paved the way for their success, cementing his role as a cornerstone of rock history. Despite his immense talent, Berry faced legal troubles that impacted his career. These challenges, however, did not overshadow his contributions to music. His resilience and ability to overcome adversity only added to his legendary status, further solidifying his place in rock and roll history. Sweet Little 16 soared on the charts, capturing the essence of teenage dreams and desires. Berry's knack for relatable storytelling resonated with young listeners, cementing his place as a rock and roll icon and shaping the genre's future. Chuck Berry's induction into the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame was a testament to his monumental contributions to music. Recognized among the first inductees, Berry's pioneering spirit and innovative sound left an indelible mark on the rock and roll landscape. School Day brilliantly illustrated the highs and lows of teenage life, resonating with countless young fans. Berry's keen observations and relatable lyrics painted vivid pictures of school experiences, making the song a timeless anthem for generations of students. Berry's live performances were legendary, characterized by boundless energy and charisma. His electrifying stage presence, complete with his iconic duck walk, captivated audiences and set a new standard for showmanship in rock and roll, influencing countless performers. Berry's music transcended racial barriers, appealing to diverse audiences and breaking new ground in an era of segregation. His crossover appeal highlighted the unifying power of rock and roll, paving the way for future artists to bridge cultural divides. Memphis, Tennessee, captures a touching narrative of a father trying to reach his 6-year-old daughter. The song's twist ending, revealing the true nature of the relationship, showcases Berry's storytelling prowess and ability to convey deep emotion through simple yet powerful lyrics. Chuck Berry's influence on music cannot be overstated. His groundbreaking blend of rhythm and blues with rock and roll created a new genre that resonated across racial and cultural lines. Berry's work laid the foundation for countless artists who followed in his footsteps. Berry's innovative guitar style set the standard for rock music. His signature riffs and solos inspired generations of guitarists, from Keith Richards to Eric Clapton. Berry's technique and showmanship turned the guitar into the defining instrument of rock and roll. Rock and roll music is an anthem that celebrates the genre Berry helped pioneer. Its energetic rhythm and catchy lyrics encapsulate the spirit of rock and roll. The song remains a timeless classic, embodying the essence of Berry's musical genius. Throughout his life, Chuck Berry received numerous accolades, including induction into the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame. His awards and recognition are a testament to his profound impact on music. Berry's legacy continues to inspire and influence artists around the world. Chuck Berry's personal life was as dynamic as his music. Known for his charismatic charm and sense of humor, Berry was a family man who often balanced his groundbreaking career with his responsibilities at home. His character was both complex and captivating. In his later years, Berry continued to perform and influence the music industry. He never lost his passion for music, often playing live shows well into his 70s. His enduring presence in the music scene showcased his unwavering dedication to rock and roll. One interesting anecdote about Berry involves his legendary duck walk. This iconic move originated accidentally when Berry tried to hide wrinkles in his trousers on stage. The crowd loved it, and it became a signature part of his performances, symbolizing his inventive spirit. Berry's contributions to music are immeasurable. He not only pioneered rock and roll, but also inspired countless artists across various genres. His innovative guitar riffs, storytelling lyrics, and electrifying stage presence have left an indelible mark on the world of music. If you enjoyed learning about Chuck Berry, hit that subscribe button for more music history on the Music Educator YouTube channel. Discover the stories behind the legends and immerse yourself in the rich tapestry of musical heritage that continues to shape our world.